There is an indefinable, mysterious power that pervades everything. I feel it, though I do not see it, because it is so unlike all that I perceive through my senses. It transcends the senses. I can see that in the midst of death, life persists. In the midst of untruth, truth persists. In the midst of darkness, light persists. I do dimly perceive that whilst everything around me is ever changing, ever dying, there is underlying all that change a living power that is changeless, that holds all together, that creates, dissolves, and recreates. I confess that I have no argument to convince through reason. Faith transcends reason. All I can advise is not to attempt the impossible.